whisper of the wind, a spark begins to glow. Labubu's light, the one will follow. He was just a tiny voice beneath the copper trees, dreaming dreams of starlit skies and floating honeybees. In a world of gears and ticking time, he played alone, but deep inside a strength unknown. The forest called, a secret stirred, a rustle, a crack, a silent word. A danger rose, the shadows crept, but love